Hi everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Thursday 14th of February, looking at euro dollar, and breakdown has really continued. Actually, we've had some choppy sessions in the last three. Sharp moves to the downside, subsequently unwound, but again yesterday's move to the downside sort of puts the bulls back under serious pressure, and that's another close below 113 figure, and today a rally back towards 13 figure has been a basis of resistance, so that doesn't look good. And not only that, you're coming with these momentum indicators which are really now starting to pull lower. RSI below 40 again, stochastic still in negative territory, MACD line still tracking lower, and the fact is that you can sort of effectively redraw that little downtrend that I had that was marginally broken yesterday, but essentially it is still intact if you redraw it to the extent. And that failure, as I said, at 113 big figure doesn't look especially positive, and it looks like the market is beginning to sort of edge towards a breakdown. 112.13 was that key November low. If that is breached, you're then looking at the 111.10 mark, which is basis of support through 2017. Some few times it was tested and held, but it really does look as though that the market is beginning to sort of take on the opinion that it's going to be sort of breaking down, because 113 was a big floor on a consistent basis, and it seems to be as though that the market is now happy below that level. So that is a concern. On the hourly chart, you can see that the rally to 1345 yesterday was where it failed. I spoke yesterday about 1350 to 1360, a sort of a basis of near-term resistance. Obviously the market sort of failed at 1345, back below that, and you're sort of negatively configured again with these sort of stochastics rolling over, MACD lines not really doing a great deal. And yeah, and if you sort of move back below 1245, which is the early low today, then I think that we're going to be seeing a real go at this 1215 level. So consistent trading underneath 13 big figure does not look good for euro dollar at the moment, and it certainly looks as though that would heap pressure on the big support. Anyway, so I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you.